Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making one of my favourite quick vegan meals. Let's go. So first off, let's stick the kettle on. Boom. Now what we're making today is couscous. I've got these little packs of couscous that I get from Aldi for pretty cheap. And they're super nice, they've got loads of flavouring in. You can obviously just buy the plain couscous and then you can mix in some of your own spices. Let's just stick these in the bowl. Whoops, oh, sugar. Cool, so now we've got the dry couscous in there. And also what we're gonna add in is some sunflower seeds. Now it's nice if you add them in at the start because they actually absorb all of the water. They swell up a little bit and they get kind of soft. Yeah, it tastes very good. That's all ready. What else do we need? We're gonna grab some black beans. I also like adding kidney beans to it. That's another great one. And we're gonna add some black olives. Grab some of this spread, which we're gonna fluff into the couscous. And also some jalapenos. That's done. So just pour it over the top of the couscous. Make sure you cover all of it. You'll kind of get the knack of it, but I like to leave about that much. Maybe in about ½ an inch probably on top of the couscous. And that should be the right amount to absorb. So let's chop some bits up. The thing I love about this meal is you can use so many different things in it. You've got the base of the couscous, but you can use all sorts of different things for protein and extra flavour. A few jalapenos. Let's grab some olives. Oops. Oh, managed to catch it in my pocket. Oh, wrong lid. I like to just give a rough chop to the olives. I think a whole olive is a little bit too big of a bite. Dice them up a little bit like that and then you get nice little chunks as you're eating it. And now let's chop up the jalapenos just into little chunks like that. Other things that you can add that are nice are sun-dried tomatoes. I love adding those in. You can add in some peanuts as well. At the same time you add in the nuts if you want them to get a little bit softer. Or you can add them at the end and they add some nice crunch. Let's see, still a bit of water there. Let's try a bit. Good, doesn't need any more water. Just gotta leave that a sec to finish absorbing. Now let's drain out these beans. Yeah, usually I would use kidney beans, but we don't have any of those at the moment. Just use my hands to drain it. And then add some more water. With chickpeas and beans, it's really good to do this. Because otherwise you get all that gunky bean water on everything. Nice to just have the fresh beans. Although with the chickpea water, you can do lots of cool stuff. Like you can make vegan mayonnaise. I've done that with it. Link to that somewhere. Cool. Dry the hands, put these away. Let's see, we've got rid of all the water now. It's really nice just to mix this in. You can also put in a bit of coconut oil in with it. That's all mixed in. Now, let's just grab all our ingredients, stick those in. Should have added the beans at the end. Damn. Wait. I'm going to take a few out. Just because it'll be easier to mix. We're on 8 minutes. Right, we can do it easily inside of 10 minutes. Ah, balls. You can see it's a decent sized meal as well. Plenty of protein in, all the stuff you need for flavouring. Another thing that I like to add is some chili garlic. I'm going to stick that in to kind of flavour the couscous, give it a bit of spice. That's the thing that I love about this meal is you can kind of customise it in so many different ways just based on whatever ingredients you've got around, whatever you like. Let's have a little try. I was trying to do it in under 10 minutes, but I might not make it. Because I also want to add a bit of salad. Come on, we can do it. 20 seconds. There we go. 8 seconds. Bit of olive oil. Bit of vinegar. Ah, damn. I had a bit of salt on. That's the end of that one. Let's grab another one. Got a bit messy at the end. Got the job done. We're over the time now. May as well add some pepper as well. Obviously this isn't like some super pretty Instagram meal, but it's delicious. It's got a great way to use up ingredients. It's nutritious. So like the video if you enjoyed and found this helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Some real, quick, tasty, healthy vegan food. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.